Alright, hey YouTube, throw the engine back at it again. We're going to be doing some electrician work today. Today we're going to be taking this light fixture and replacing it with this chandelier. Of course, first things first. 3, 2, 1, power off. The next step is going to be removing this light fixture. So let's get started. First, want to remove all the glass panels off the side, because those are what make the light heavy. So I'm going to pause the video for a second while I do that. There we go. Now we remove the fixture from the ceiling. What you're going to do is take these two little bolts, these two little nuts off that hold the light fixture up. They're either going to be a screw or a nut. And in this case, it's a screw. Alright, so there you got your wires exposed right there. And you got your positive lead and your negative lead. So let's get this taken down. I missed the part where I took this bracket down and put that one up for the new chandelier. And yep, that's up there. Now let's get this chandelier hung. Now, because of the way this chandelier hangs, I can't just hang it and then wire it up. I have to wire it up while I freaking hold it. So take the wire nuts off. Hook up the ground wire. Lead. Doesn't really matter which way you hook this up, as long as electricity comes in one way and goes out. Other lead. Cap it off. Daggone it all to Hades, man. There we go. Today, this wire is being difficult as can be with me right now. It's really not fun. There we go. Then we just tuck that up in there. Tuck those up. And then you get your two little things that hold the light up. Tired. That's why I had to let go. All right. There's the other one. There we go. All right. All right, moment of truth. All right, let's see if it works. Bullseye. And there you have her. It looks good.